Okay, let's grab some cards and see what they have to say. I'm just going to grab the vintage deck here. Give them a good shuffle and just see what they're going to point to today. So what's going on? What's taking place? Okay, let's look and see. Move this back here so I've got some room. Okay, so the reading is about things by the dark of night, the delusion, the illusion. It's also his insanity, the insanity of the moment. But let's see where we're going with this. Let's see what the energy is coming in with it. Truth. Maybe some truth about his mental health. Also could be truth about the insanity, the things done by the dark of night, the dark side above it. The truth about the dark side, the insanity, the things, the foundation, MAGA, or the family of dark, or waking up to the dark. Now we know that more and more of the MAGA crowd is saying no more. They're leaving, okay? So let's see what we have today. So today, it's about long-term, concrete things happening long-term. The challenge is the truth coming out, okay? Coming more to the, the buildup of all of this for the long-term. Above it, the lovers. So that could either be those that are directly involved in this, or it could be the trafficking and all the other stuff with it. There is an agreement. Potential outcome. Strengthening. We're gaining strength. Outside influence is Tower moment. So yeah, we've got them on the run. Okay, above it, a victory. Oop, oh, this one's jumping out, so I'm going to pull this and a secondary one. So it's about the people that they have in those positions, and it's about struggling, arguments, a victory, strengthening the Tower moment. So infighting behind the scenes, I would say, that has to do with it. Long term. Okay? Just behind the scenes, they're like sniping at each other. Everyone wants to play the blame game. Trump keeps looking for people he can throw under the bus, because he never takes accountability. Unless it's something that goes well, and then he'll take the credit for it, even though he had nothing to do with it. But when things are going south, which all of this is, whether it's the war in Iran, whether it is the Epstein stuff, he's looking for more and more people to throw under the bus. So, yeah. So let's see what's driving it. Blocked. The truth being blocked, not looking, not wanting to see, facing a loss, pondering what's incoming. When it comes to Trump, trying to figure out the next move to control actions, and what's being handed out, what they're sharing, not liking the harvest, concrete, the messages coming out, about the pain that this has caused in so many levels, wanting to temper, looking to see there needs to be balance because of what? The ongoing abuse of power. We have new information, a new mindset when it comes to the things that are up in the air. The wheel is turning. When it comes to all the things that have been hidden, there is judgment afoot. When it comes to the choices made in life, when it comes to the wealth and the drama, time to end it. Time to end it. So people are fed up with the wealthy. They're fed up that the wealthy are the ones that are paying no taxes, okay? That they've tried to continue to rule the world. So yeah, people are fed up. They're pushing back. And I just see these cockroaches scattering and just infighting. A lot of infighting happening now behind the scenes. Okay? So, yeah, we've got them on the run. They are now scurrying. They're scurrying because they're being outed. All the stuff they've done in secret for so many years, the blackmail, the dirty politics, the drama, the backdoor deals, it's all being exposed. And people have had enough. Okay, people have had enough. And they're going, yeah, no more. We want change. So change is coming. But, you know, expect the dark to do more heinous things to try to distract, to try to put fear mode into people, to try to, but their time is limited at this point. And we are, again, like I got the other day, we are past that tipping point. There's no way that they can reassert themselves, okay? I see it as these padlocks are crumbling. It's like it's rusted out. And I just see this padlock and it's breaking apart. So the things that they've tried to keep hidden, padlocked, it's opening up. And so it's all going to be revealed. It's all going to be revealed. Okay? Now, I saw this one yesterday. She's really good. This lady, and I can't remember what her name or channel is. She did this thing with Fred Trump, channeling Fred Trump, and asked about Ivana. And yeah, same thing that I've said. No, this was not by her hand. Okay, she was outed, and he said, eventually it's all going to come out. It'll all come out. And that his son just is in a world of hurt. Yeah, he's in a world of hurt. So anyway, it was a good interview that she had done with this. And about how he's trying to do his change. It's still in the life review. We're still, and it's been over 20 years for Fred, but Trump, like I said, when he gets the other side, you got to feel all the pain you have caused all these people and how, you know, what you did to them and what happened with them through all of this. So he's got a lot on his plate that will take, you know, he'll be in life review for, I mean, maybe a century with as much as he's done. I'm sorry to laugh, but yeah, he's got a world of hurt coming. So anyway, yeah, They're on the run. It's dismantling behind the scenes. While they try to appear cohesive, they are just at each other's throats now. And Trump, let me grab cards. I just want to ask about his mental health, because he is just, it seems he's getting worse every day. Yeah, trying to hold on. Trying to hold on concretely. What about physical health? Again, trying to get away with it. Okay. So mentally, he's trying to hold on to this to keep his physical health under wraps. Okay. Now we saw, he's got things going on. He continues to get these infusions and stuff. It looked like maybe he has a catheter. And we know he's had mini strokes. Okay. So what about his health when it comes to strokes? Yeah, trying to stand guard. This energetic thing is coming, but they're doing what they can to stave off strokes. Now, I saw this thing yesterday where Bannon was sitting there. He wet his pants. Yeah, he peed his pants in an interview. So what's going on with the whole of the MAGA? Yeah, still trying to figure out a way to manipulate it. Trying to figure out the next manipulation. What's going on with the alien things? Tempering, reflections. Now, Trump doesn't know anything about alien stuff. He's saying he wants to have all this outed. What about all the generals that are winding up dead or missing? Choices made in life. Choices made in life. Justice. Rapidly moving. So who did this? Concrete message. Concrete message. They know too much about these programs, about alien stuff. Trump doesn't know. Even J.F. Kennedy wanted to out this, wanted to find it, and they said that's one reason he got taken out. Because even the president does not have the ability to know. Okay? No need to know. JFK pushed to find out more about what's going on with that, and even he did not have the classification. And Trump, they're like, yeah, whatever, because he's such an idiot. He just says it, but he doesn't know anything about the program. So what is it they're trying to hide with this program? New Cup. Is what they're doing nefarious, this dark behind the scenes? It's a message about information. Okay. They have been working behind the scenes. Now, there are some, like anything, there are some good aliens and then there are some not so great. Lots of different ones here, whether it's the gray, the tall whites, there are many factions. many, many factions that are there. And they do have all these things going. Patterson and up in New Mexico. I've been up there by the one in New Mexico, and it's just an odd feeling up there. But apparently underneath they have a lot of these, they're linked. A lot of these ones are linked. Underground system that they're linked. So anyway, yeah, no, Trump doesn't have a classification to know any of this. Okay, he's an idiot. But these generals and stuff, ones that have worked on these programs, they do know. And they are just absolutely worried with them information getting out, apparently. Yeah. The fight going forward, information, what they know. They know too much. So yeah, overturn, take them out. Government programs, White House, strength, lovers, those that are too close, they need to control the action. They want to control it. I think they're worried that these ones, again, know too much and maybe want to reveal some things that they don't want out. So anyway, on that note, I will leave that here, and we'll see you online.